Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by accepting the basic rule. 1 is not prime, 2 is the first. Immediately pick your target N and run the sieve of Eratosthenes to list primes. It removes multiples fast. Once done, verify any small candidates with trial division, testing divisors only up to the square root of the number. Make sure to cross off even numbers after 2 to save time, and record primes in order. This gives you the working set for the next steps. You now use that prime list to factor and analyze numbers. Start factoring by dividing the target by primes not exceeding its square root. Each successful division yields a prime factor and reduces the problem. Once factors are known, compute greatest common divisors with Euclid's algorithm to reveal shared primes. This matters in simplification and proofs. Also, apply modular arithmetic. Test congruences, compute residues, and use Fermat-style checks. These show why primes behave differently versus composites and guide algorithmic choices. You wrap up by validating results and preparing for use. Run a deterministic test for small numbers or a probabilistic test like Miller-Aben for larger ones. Repeat a few rounds to increase confidence. Once validated, save primes in a clear format and apply them to tasks, hashing, encryption keys, or mathematical proofs. If something fails, do not assume data loss. Rerun tests with a different algorithm or higher iterations, compare results, and trace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.